I'm Andrew Vencer, Site Manager for Menard Vibro. This is Package 4 of Emirati Neighborhood Project, a part of mega residential and infrastructure project in Abu Dhabi. The total area of this job site is 5 million square meters, and of which 2 million square meters will undergo ground improvement works. The soil profile of this job site is so variable that different techniques is considered to improve the current ground condition. Currently, execution of soil improvement works is in full swing. We have mobilized 10 stone column rigs, 2 cranes for dynamic compaction and replacement, two RIC machines and 2 CPT machines. At the end of this project, we expect to complete 1 million square meter of area treated by stone columns, 500,000 square meters treated by rapid impact compaction, 300,000 square meters of dynamic compaction, and 200,000 square meter of dynamic replacement.